Welcome everybody to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly. No risk, no premium, guys. What is up? What is happening? Well, I was wrong. I'll be the first to admit it, and I'm okay with that because, goddamn it, we finally got out of that range. We finally broke 407. As you can see, we bounced off so many times today. Probably caught a lot of people off sides too. Their bias was it would come tomorrow on the CPI data. Well, it came today, and if you were ready, you were ready. If you weren't, you weren't. Okay. But tomorrow, what do we expect? Well, at 8:30 a.m., 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll have the CPI data come out. Now, what happens off the CPI data? I'm not even going to speculate if it's good, if it's bad, if it's this and that. I'm going to trade what the hell the chart tells me to trade. Okay. What I would think could possibly happen is one, first off, a run back up to 407 and a failure. Okay. And a failure. Now, I would probably go short off 407 if you want to be safe. Watch the rejection off 407. If 405 breaks, all hell will break loose and we will definitely flush down 403, 400. Okay. Then I got about 397, 396 area. Okay. Underneath that would be 391, 390, and underneath that, 385, 380. Okay. Now, you guys have to realize too, not only do we have CPI data tomorrow, but next week we have FOMC, and we also have the monthly options expire. Okay, OPEX or MOPEX, they like to call it. So if we decide to get Ripper Magoo on the CPI data tomorrow, and we want to start absolutely ripping up, I would probably use that 407 area to 410 area as an area to check the sentiment and check the bias. And if we want to get long over 410, I would think we rip back to 412, 416, but 416 is 420-ish. So it really just depends, guys, all on the data tomorrow. So listen, the levels are still the same. Get your levels out, know what you're doing, be ready, be up more than an hour before the market open and watch the reaction to the data that comes out. Okay. The economic data tomorrow is so important. Be up, be ready. Get your levels from the pre-market high, pre-market low. Okay. Yesterday's high and yesterday's low. That being today's high and today's low. But if you're going to do it in the morning tomorrow, guys. Okay. So that's all I really got for you. It's all dependent on what happens tomorrow. And that'll be your game plan. I could tell you this, probably look to go long-ish off 396, 397 for a scalp. I'm not saying we're going to go to the moon after that and all-time highs. I'm just saying there's going to be an area where we're going to bounce. And that's where I think that would be the first possible area to bounce. Now, if we knife like butter through all these supports, that just means they are going to send us to hell, guys. So just be ready for anything. That's all I got for you tonight, guys. I will be giving a market update in our Discord as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. Be ready to rock and roll tomorrow. Peace.